Vaishvik
and Srinithi.
So today is the festival of Ugadi. Ugadi is the Telugu New Year. So that's why we are making this Ugadi pachhadi. So the ingredients are some water, some tamarind juice, some jaggery, some mango, some salt, some pepper powder, and this is neem flower. So I never saw this neem flower thingy. So I'm excited to see how it looks in this. So first you take a bowl and then you pour this tamarind juice in. Okay. Now we put some jaggery in it. Then now we have to like put the mango. So now some salt. And then pepper powder. Then the neem flour. Now I'm gonna get the spoon and mix it. So now I'm gonna add some this much of water. Okay, so that's it. Then we mix it. So the Ugadi pachhadi is done. So we are going to pour it into this bowl and give it to the god. So my mom made these coconut garlands. They're going to be so cool to wear. And it has one of my favorites too. So my sister and I are going to wear them. See how nice they look on us? Wow, they're super cool. So, happy Ugadi! If you guys like this video, please like, share,